friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I'm so happy you join us in because guess what? We are making Diamond 17 today for our Tahoe quilt along. Oh, this quilt is beautiful and all the fabrics are just gorgeous. I'm working with a Primrose collection. We have multiple kits. We have the beautiful English Garden collection. We have the blue and white version of the quilt. I'm working with the Primrose collection because I really love those fabric and I wanted something different. I already have a blue and white quilt, so I thought this color options would be so nice. As I'm placing my fabric and choosing them my strip set in my strip sets, everything is melting together so nice. Follow the pattern directions for what fabric and what size strips you need for this block. I already did that and I sewed them into a strip sets like this. Then I went ahead and cut some to show you today how to make my blocks. Look at those strip sets. Isn't that nice, beautiful colors? You're gonna be cutting the strip sets according to the pattern. In this case is 1.5 inch for every one of them, and I already did that like I told you guys. So I'm gonna lay them in front of you just so you see. And I always do this. I lay my block, double check, match with the pattern. I think that is the most important part, to slow down a little bit and check that everything is correct, because it's so much easier to slow down than have to take your seams apart if you sewed something and accidentally turned something upside down. And it's so easy to do it when you have so many beautiful pieces. In this case it's only 4, but it's still easy to make a little mistake. So look at this. I'm gonna go ahead, place my pieces together, match and pin just like we have done for last 16 times. Now the same right here. I'm gonna place it together, match. Let me refresh with you. Notice it. I have to go ahead and find where the diamonds are matching, then go ahead, place a pin right through the seam right here and see if I come out exactly on this side. And yes, I did. Then I'm gonna go ahead, place a pin front of it, place a pin behind it. You're probably getting tired of me reminding you that. Then I'm gonna put at least 2 more pins into this beautiful unit because I want everything to stay in place and nothing shift as I enjoy myself and stitch the pieces beautifully together. As soon as I finish stitching, I'm gonna go ahead and open all the seams in the back, and look how lovely this look. Isn't that beautiful? I love this unit and I think it is so much fun. I did it as a strip sets because to me this was faster. I am so excited for this Diamond 17. If you're just joining us in, please make sure you visit our website and our blog for more information about this fun free event for everyone. This one calls Tahoe Quilt Along, and I hope you decide to join us as well. Happy quilting!